Now, if we want to map those buttons, we can directly long press on any of these and select the action that we want to map. So in this case, we have the first button mapped to the previous scene. The second button is mapped to stop, playing back of the timeline, play, playback, and then next song. So let's go on the scene view so it's easier to see what happens. So if I'm pressing this button, I'm going to the next scene. If I'm pressing the first button, I'm going to the previous scene. The same thing is available on Camelot as well. So let me select on Camelot the right screen, so you will see directly the scene moving. Also, switch